What the hell is that guy? Why?
But you know, I guess it's okay to hit somebody when you get attacked. You know, then it's okay. If they're coming out the East was weak. Played well in the finals with half a team.
Oh, yeah, Prius got cut off.
32-11.
I saw that.
I go 5 innings. Starting pitching is obviously a problem. And at some point, I got to think that conversation comes bames back up again as well, as far as trading one of those three guys.
Whoa!
It's league again. You know what they wanted like 5 years ago?
But people have to be able to say what they feel and not be labeled as a racist or as a bigot and things like that.
4 days to clear that off. It snowed on Saturday. Today is Tuesday.
I have an uncle named Uncle Weirdo. Uncle Weirdo came over and goes, I got the bong.
Damn short bus.
He was like selling weed out of the trunk of his car. It's my job to make things picture perfect. Literally. My photography studio can handle it.
Shit. And we're gonna keep going. Of course, you gotta do that. Oh, he didn't make it. Straight. Left turn. Oh, what the? Whoa! Jeez, that Lexus was right there. All I know is that job sucked. Whoa. Yeah, dual. Suck. Shoot. I forgot where I was. You done messed up, AA Ron! Oh, that was close up front of that Jeep. It's those damn Ultima drivers. Those damn Ultima drivers from Jersey. And he's got his left blinker on. And he's moving over.
Great. I mean, I love her voice. She's fantastic.
What are you doing that
if you want to
for?
prove to the world you can see what she did on that the live Mary Poppins thing with Peter Pan, whatever that was. You know, it's 9 months ago.
Congratulations, you got one car ahead. You saved, what, 2 seconds off your time?
Hey, dude, we know, yeah, it's not political. Like, nothing's political these days, right?
But they Queens didn't vote for de Blasio, so they're not.
Who knows? You never know, guys. People that are in charge think the way man can make decisions.
You wait till now to move over.
God forbid she be dressed up, have some high heel shoes on, some pump gypsies.
Yeah, that's just dumb, Prius. You got a whole wide open lane ahead of you. Okay, that was a heart attack. Good thing no one was behind me. Whew. I know you signal, but come on. You were going way slow.
If you don't care, oh yeah.
You don't care. Standing outside on a Friday.
Sore left knee. Told reporters last hour he'll try to play tomorrow night instead at home against the Suns. Toronto's figured out one of his top players as well. The Raptors chase.
Wait, you're just gonna keep turning left, bus? Woo! Bouncy, 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 and you're in the left turn lane. And you just keep going through, Chrysler. Oh no, you just ran! Oh my god!
Why wouldn't you place the bet right now? You can. Why wouldn't you do it right now? Right now, with the number as it is, why wouldn't you just go ahead and lay it on the line? Because as much as I want to take Carolina,
how do you screw up that badly at a left turn?
I think Carolina should have touchdown favorite.
Oh, come on. You're gonna cut around all these people. Nice big gap right there. Take it. What?
Go out there and make your voices heard, because enough is enough and we got to get this rolling. So thank you all so much for your support. Again, we could.
Wow. You're sitting. Go. There's a gas pedal. Press it. Ooh.
My point is this, now.
All it was is an obvious part of their play.
Team in the NFL would take 8 years for 1 year.
Last second exit. That's a wonderful idea. Cigar smoking slut. Oh! That almost hit me. I wonder where that came from.
I'm good.
Trailer, left lane.
Point, but I was just curious why the Mets have no
Nice boat.
on your eBay. I think they feel they replaced them. And then you have to kind of keep doing that, you know? So people will think it's something you do.
You're just going to do that. Tripped over without a care, without being able to see around me.
It's the third stage.
Oh, you went back over from the carpool lane. What? What? Whoa!
6-3, 4 goals in the third period. Final game before the All-Star break. Islanders won the game before the break. They fell at home to the Red Wings, 4-2.
I can tell you the truth.
Right in front of me, with no signal. So much for the no traffic.
Murphy is playing for Washington, right?
Well, you have to ask them.
Oh, no, what are you...
Logical to consider that might have been an impetus towards it, and I think that would be, very understandable. But I can't sit here and speak.
.com against the Nets on Sunday. Kevin Durant finished with 32 points, 10 rebounds, and 7 assists. Russell Westbrook.
Oh, right in front of him.
7, and the Nets won the game. Knicks and Thunder tonight.
Yeah, brake light. Oh, what are you doing? And that guy's in the middle of the intersection, and he's turning on red. Yeah, right in front of me. Good idea. Oh, you suck. Another one that sucks. Come on. Oh, why would you do that? Adorable, sortable. That could have been bad.
For the Wild in Washington tonight, the Islanders skate against the Capitals, and double hockey on the fan tonight. Pre-game at 7:20 is here.
Ah, the GMC. I called him worse things. Oh, that frickin' bus. That's definitely going in the video.
It don't stop.
Oh, what the?
Motherfucker. Compton style, nigga. Doggy dog.
We have plenty of opportunities. What? Did that bus really just roll through the stop sign? Oh my god. That was way too fucking late.
And Cam Newton is. You know, so that's something you gotta keep in mind. And you got guys like Will who are running all the time. You got, you know.
Yeah, that Buick driver has like had the most dumbfounded look on her face.
These baby that'll never have to build iPhones in Beijing again. It's a good damn day. You go home that night, you walk in the front door, your kids are gone. They're not dead, they're just gone. Relax.
In the middle of an intersection? Are you fucking crazy? Just to move back to the fucking right! Oh, so you're gonna make a left instead from the right turn only lane. No, what are you? Oh, what are you? Douchebag? Whoa! Get out of the guy's way! Sat through part of the red arrow. Ah, you're spectacularly close to the guy. Oh my god. I'm gonna do that whole sequence. What? That's an all left turn there. BMW. You're going into a lane that's about to end. It's a pass.